Good morning guys! Welcome to my vlog. So mag-clean ako today. I'm doing a cleaning. This is the dresser. I'm gonna put it in the bathroom. And this dresser is from Philippines. So we're gonna use it. It's really nice solid wood guys. Gonna vacuum and clean it and then I'm gonna show you the result later. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Morphe. Ano siya? Maganda siya para sa mga wood. So, maging shiny yan later. Tapos, i-wipe ko lang siya ng towel. It's heavy. Oy! Hirap niyang ilagay. You know what? I don't know how to put this. I'm gonna wait for him. Antayin ko si Alex. Siya maglagay. Tapos na siya guys. Nalinis ko na siya and antayin ko si Mahal para siya na lang yung magkabit niyan. Yung ginagawa ko kahapon, hindi ko na siya natapos sa video. So ipapakita ko sa iyo yung result. Diba bumili ako ng jars? So, ganito yung ginawa ko. Para paggagamitin ko siya sa sabaw. Ito yung mga ingredients para sa sabaw. And for adobo and mga seasoning. Tapos itong sugar, palm sugar yung ginagamit ko. Ginagamit ko to siya pag gumagawa ako ng po. And yung salt, yung cayenne pepper, my favorite. And it's not done. I have 2 more here. So ito yung mga spices natin. Ikot-ikot mo lang. So easy ang life. Ang hirap ng mababa. Marami akong mga extra jar and mamibili naman ako ng, of course, ilalagay dito. Now, I'm going to make a matcha. I just finished my lunch. So, turo ko kung paano gumawa ng matcha drinks. Super sarap niya and nakaka-addict siya. Hindi ko siya pwedeng inumin pagka, late night. I bought this online, like, for whisk. Gamit ako ng honey. Lagay ko siya dyan sa matcha. Siguro mga 2 kutsarita. Ito ko siya yung super tuwan ng ice. Para super lamig niya. Dapat pala ni-shake ko yung ice. Pero okay lang. Perfect to sa kasi mainit. So, tikman natin. Sarap. Nakaka-addict siya. Honey and matcha lang. Tapos ice. Kauwi lang namin. So mag-haul ta. Classic guacamole and then hummus for dips. And ito yung egg for breakfast. Feta cheese and then the salsa. I got the mild one. And then the cheese. I don't drink this. Kay Alex lang. But cherry as well. Wala ako ng onion red. Ipipickle ko siya. Cucumbers. Ito super sarap niya. Yung dressing for salad. And then for salad, carrots. So I learned that don't buy the baby carrots because baby carrots are not good. So they said better just buy this kind of carrots. Bell pepper. I bought a twin meat tenderloin. I'm going to make a adobo for tomorrow. Bell peppers. And I bought this one because last time I bought the organic rolled oats in Walmart and I don't want it. It tastes plastic. So I changed the brand that I'm using. I'm using this. So I want this one. I really like this. I have the chips for black beans and tomato. I'm going to make a tomato soup for tonight. Like I'm going to make pickled garlic. I want to put in a jar. You'll see it later. Baking soda. Soak natin yung baking soda dito sa cherry. And a vinegar. This is the oat that I'm talking. This is the oat. This is the oat that I'm talking about. That I don't want it because it tastes plastic. So instead, I'll switch for this. Finally, an oat. Got to buy a strainer. I don't have a strainer, but
Real nice and hot.
I know why. Naiya ako pag ganyan siya nagsasabi. And also I want to do the hanging clothes here, you know, because sometimes I wanna wash. I'm gonna wash all the clothes today.
Why would you do that?
Because I want to put it away. I want to put it in the cabinet. I want to make sure it's clean.
What about the bar?
Bigger.
You want the bar all the way across?
That's gonna be too much.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
How about?
It's better to work there at
Yeah,
afternoon.
I know, but I can't stand on finishing something I started.
Oh.
Leave it.
Aalis kami guys. Hindi ko na tatapusin yung ginagawa ko. Kasi niyaya na naman ako ng kasama ko na aalis kami. So, yung ginagawa ko, postponed. Mamaya na lang siya ulit.
Do you have your green card and your ID?
Do you need my green card?
I might. What if this lady screwed up?
I put it back there on the drawer. Just put it on your papers. Dito na ako sa tindahan. Mamili lang ako ng mga kailangan ko. Si Mahal pumunta siya sa City Hall. Ayokong sumama doon kasi wala lang, hindi ko trip. Wala naman akong gagawin doon. Ito yung saging. Naluto na.
Pre-mixed? I don't need pre-mixed.
Now get what you wanted.
I can try, I guess.
So, ito yung sabi ko. Maganda siya, tapos siya kasi, naka-on sale. So, dati siyang $12. Ngayon, nasa na lang siya. $4 na lang siya. Ano yun? And very siya, comfy. Sinuot ko na siya kanina. Ang ganda niya. Pwede itong gamitin with mag-shorts ka lang, tapos sports bra, which is ganun yung lagi kong ginagawa. Or, pwedeng ganito lang din, tapos may sando ka sa loob. Maganda siya. Or, pwede ka rin mag-shorts, tapos tuck-in mo lang. Marami ako mabibili. Wala naman pala. Kasi walang masyadong tinda yung tindahan. Parang, may mga aisle na empty. So, wala masyadong choices doon. Pero tatlo kasi siya. So, merong Home Goods, merong Burlington, tapos yun nga, meron siyang Ross. So, sa Home Goods naman, super mamahal. Pero may nabili ako doon before. On sale lang siya. So, afford ko lang yung pag on sale. Pero pag yung regular price, hindi ko afford makabili. Kuripot. Tapos ko nang labhan yung mga tuwalya. I-ano ko kasi to. Ilagay sa cabinet. Para pagka mayroong bisita or like mag-kayaking kami. May tubig kasi dito. So, pwede kang mag-kayak. So, kailangan namin ng super duper dami ng towel. Kasi just in case mabasa or magbangka kami. So, kailangan ng maraming tuwalya. Alam nyo ba, nasira yung cellphone ko, oy. Tingnan mo. Ano siya, oh? Ay! Masira pa. Nag-crack siya. Like, can you see it? Wait. I don't know if you can see, but broken na ba? Na-broken na naman ang aking cellphone. I was doing the garden outside and then I put it in my pocket. I didn't notice when I sit down and there's a cement. Tapos nahulog siya. Like, ano siya, kung dito sana siya, if the back is fine because meron siyang cover. But then, nung front kasi siya, wala naman siyang protector sa front. So, ganyan yung pagkahulog niya. Psha! So, broken oy. But, nag-ordered na siya ng phone ko sa Amazon. So, darating siya next week.